This garlic, lemon and salmon pasta bowl takes less than 20 minutes in total to prep and cook. It is so easy to do, tastes delicious, and is an absolute winner when you're looking for something quick and easy to cook midweek. First thing to do is to get your pasta on the boil, and then when that's happening, just heat another frying pan and soften your onion and cook that for a couple of minutes. You'll notice I didn't cook for a couple of minutes and accidentally burnt this a little bit, but that's what happens when you're faffing around changing cameras and so on. I do all this myself, so don't burn your onions like I did. But then add in your garlic, give it a further 30 seconds or so. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people will get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Once your pasta is ready, just drain it, and then to that we're going to add in those fried onions and garlic. And for the creaminess aspect to this, we're going to use some light cream cheese. If you're not fussed by calories, you can use full fat, but the lighter stuff obviously keeps the calories down, so if you're health conscious, it's probably the better choice. You can add in capers or not. If you don't like them, totally fine. They're not a key ingredient. And then the main protein source is tinned salmon. You could use fresh, but again, we're using tin just to keep prep time down and make it easier. Add in your lemon juice and zest, plenty of parsley, and then some salt and pepper. That is it. I mean, how easy was that to do? Give it a good mix through and plate it up. You can have this warmed, you know, if you've just cooked the pasta, or it works really well if you have it cool as well in the fridge as like a pasta salad. Both are delicious in my opinion. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you'd like the full written recipe, you can get it inside my Food for Fitness recipes app. If you just click the link in the description below, you can download it to your device. Thanks for watching. See ya.